Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can roll dice on Monopoly Go. So basically, to roll the dice and move your token around the board, simply tap the big red Go button. So each tap of this button will consume dice rolls displayed just below the Go button. So you can see I have just 144 dice rolls. So if I'm going to tap on that go, and it will basically reduce the dice roll left. So once you've reached a certain net worth, you will unlock auto roll. So activate auto roll by holding down the go button until it turns green. So during auto roll, the dice will be continually rolled until you stop auto roll or run out of rolls. So to stop auto roll, simply tap the go button again or any other menu item. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.